In the first part of this course, we will start to talk about different topics, theoretical topics about cost management. The topics that we'll talk about is based on PMBOK, which is a book by PMI Institute in USA. This is the same book they study for PMB certificate. But there is something important here, that the topics and the tools we will talk about in this theoretical approach is something applicable to any type of project, whether it is a construction project or it is an IT project, building an application or building a hospital. It is the same concept. So we will talk about different tools and techniques we can use in the project cost management. As per PMI, the cost management is the process that establishes the policies, procedures, and documentation of planning, managing, and expending and controlling project costs. And based on PMBOK, there is 3 steps or 3 processes that we use in the project cost management field. The first one is to estimate costs. The second one is to determine budget, and the third one is to control costs. What we have here is that those 3 processes follows an important step that is before them, which is defining the scope of work of the project. So if we are talking about a project in construction, that means we have a POQ, bill of quantity, detailed drawings, and a lot of other stuff defining what is the requirements, what we need to do, what we need to build, what are the quality requirements and everything. If we're talking about a project in IT or any other type of projects, then we are talking about the requirements of the scope of their project and what it should have and what it should do, and etc. So we will assume in this course that everything is from this is in place before we start in estimating costs. And then we can continue with estimating costs and determining budget and then controlling the cost.